Welcome to Crojo Corner. My name is Laura. Today we're going to be making a pom-pom from a pom-pom maker. Pom-pom makers come in all different sizes. This is a very large one, and then I have a really small one and different sizes in between. Today I chose this one. We're going to be making a two-tone pom-pom like this that's going to go on my St. Patrick's Day gnome. I'll be posting a tutorial for that soon. The first thing you're going to do is open up your pom-pom maker like this. Hold it with your thumb and then just wrap it around. Be careful that you don't get it on the back part. And you're going to want to wrap it nice and solid if you can. Doesn't have to be perfectly solid because you're going to do it 4 times with this color because we're going to make a two-tone pom-pom. So this is 1. Here's 2. 3 and 4. And you come back around, hold it down, and then you're going to snip that. Then grab your next color. And then you're going to place it right over where you left off for the other one. If it sticks out a little bit, it doesn't matter because you're going to trim it. And then you're going to wrap it around 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now you're going to cut this and do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so now I've got all 4 of the dark green on top of the 4 rounds from the light green on the last semicircle. Then I'm going to cut it. Then I'm going to close it. And then I'm going to take my scissors right here where there's a seam right in between. There's like a little valley. That's where you're going to cut. So you need some pretty strong scissors for this. Just go around. It's so satisfying, isn't it? I love the way that looks. Keep trimming. Okay, now that it's all separated, you're going to take a piece of yarn that matches. And then you're going to want to make sure that it's, about 24 inches long maybe, something like that. Depends on what you're going to use it for. You need to have it long enough to wrap around this middle portion right here of the pom-pom maker. In the seam right here, because you're going to tie it into a knot and cinch it really tight together. So once that's laced through, tie your knot, pull it as tight as you can, but make sure you don't break the yarn. Turn it around the other way, make another knot, and I like to do 3 knots. So then I'm going to turn it the other way and make my final knot. Now this is the fun part, opening it. So you're going to take these little tabs here and you're going to open it up, and then you're going to pull apart your pom-pom maker. And so this is your pom-pom, and you'll see sometimes you'll have a few strings sticking out, but that's okay. You just take your scissors. Now I like to use long scissors for this part, and just kind of trim around it. Give it a little haircut. I was a hairstylist for over 20 years, so this is kind of reminiscent of my old job. So, and there you go. There's a pom-pom. And then you can sew this into your hats or use it to make garland, and I'll have future tutorials. Thanks for watching.